Jai Swaminarayan friends. In last video lecture, we have discussed about the general formula, discrimination formula, right? Now in this video lecture, we discuss some short examples and short MCQs by the using of the general formula, otherwise using the discrimination, right? Here we write the 4 question. Our question is find value of k if the following equation have equal roots. We repeat this general formula. We discuss about these 3 points. If discrimination is greater than 0, then 2 distinct real roots are possible. Okay? If d equal to 0, then only 1 roots are possible. That means 2 roots, but both are equal. When our condition discrimination equal to 0, then the roots are equal. We write the statement. Is that clear? Okay. Then if d less than 0, then roots are not possible in R, in real number. Clear? Okay. Here our question, find the value of k if the following equation have equal roots. Equal roots whenever possible when d equal to 0. In last discussion, if we find discrimination and d equal to 0, then we write the statement. Give an example. Suppose x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. This is your perfect square form, perfect square. If we find the discrimination is always 0, right? Suppose we find discrimination d equal to b square minus 4ac, b square, b equal to minus 6, minus 4 into 1 into 9. So 36 minus 36, answer is 0. So discrimination equal to 0, we write the statement here. So equal roots is possible in R. Then we find alpha beta equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. But d equal to 0, that means this one term is 0. So minus b equal to minus 6, so minus minus plus 6 to a equal to 1. So 2 3s are 6. You can say alpha equal to 3 or beta equal to 3. So equal roots. Clear? Now our question is what? Here we put suppose k. Here we put suppose k. So now our question is here minus k. Is that clear? Okay. Now this one is given equal. The following equation have equal real roots is given. That means we accept the discrimination equal to 0. That means we accept the discrimination equal to 0. Is that clear? So here we write k square. Now 0 equal to k square minus 36. Now 36 in left side. So 36 equal to k square. Otherwise directly factorize. K square minus 6 square equal to 0. Now apply square minus b square formula. So k minus 6 and k plus 6 equal to 0. So k equal to 6 and k equal to minus 6. Both of them possible. Is that clear? Okay. So in this 4 question by this method. Okay. Now look here. First question. Now first we compare this standard equation. Our standard equation we write here. Our standard equation we write here. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Okay. Now first equation compare. So a equal to k plus 1, a equal to k plus 1, b equal to minus 2 into bracket k plus 4 and c equal to 2k. This is our question. Right? Now our question is given following equation have equal real roots. So now we start here. Discrimination equal to 0. We accept this condition. Okay. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Clear? b square, put here b value. So minus 2 into k plus 4 whole square. Minus 2 into k plus 4 whole square. Minus 4. A equal to k plus 1. Right? C equal to 2k. Okay? Equal to 0. Now minus 2 square is 4. K plus 4 whole square. Clear? Now 4 2s are 8. K as it is. And here k plus 1. Okay? Now in whole equation 4 is common. Is that clear? In right side 0. So 0 divided by 4, answer 0. That means whole equation divided by 4. Now our equation is k plus 4 whole square minus 2 into k bracket k plus 1 equal to 0. Now here apply the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now apply here k square. 2 4s are 8k. And 4 square is 60. Okay. Now multiply by 2k. 2k into k minus 2k square. 2k into 1 minus 2k because here minus. Okay. So minus here minus multiply by this 2 term. Both the term are negative. Here 1k square. Minus 2 1 minus 2 that is minus k square. 8 minus 2 plus 6k. Okay. Then plus 16 as it is. Now minus sign is common. So first term is also always positive. So k square minus 6k minus 16 equal to 0 or minus sign is common. Now factorize the formula. Factorize the formula. Right? 16 1s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Here last term is negative. So 16 minus 115 not possible. 4 minus 4 0 not possible. 8 minus 2 6. 8 is the bigger number. Is given the minus sign, middle term sign. So k square minus 8k plus 2k minus 16 equal to 0. Now k common, k minus 8. Again k minus 8 equal to 0. Then here plus sign, so plus 2. 2k. Okay. So k minus 8 and k plus 2 equal to 0. Now we get individually 0. So k equal to 8 or k equal to minus 2. Is that clear? Okay. So exactly same method is 4 sum. We calculate this one. Discrimination equal to 0, then find the k. Is that clear? First one is completed. Okay. Now we discuss second one. Second question, k minus 1 x square minus 12x plus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. Now compare standard equation. Here k minus 1. Here minus 12x. That is minus 12. And this one is constant. So c equal to 2k minus 1. Okay. Now first we find discrimination equal to 0. Then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay. b square minus 12 square minus 4 a equal to k minus 1 and c equal to 2k minus 1 equal to 0. Is that clear? Okay. We do not have bracket. Okay. Now minus 12 square. 12 square is 144 minus 4 as it is. Now open this bracket, k into 2k. 2k square. K into 1 minus k. Now minus 1 multiply by this 2 term. So only sign change. Minus 2k and plus 1. Is that clear? Now whole equation is divisible by 4. Here coefficient of 4 and it is also divisible by 4. Now 4 is the common. Divided by 0. Answer is 0. Okay. 144 divided by 4. 36 minus in bracket 2k square minus 2k minus k minus 3k plus 1 equal to 0. Now open the bracket. So we write here 36 minus 2k square plus 3k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. 2k square is negative, right? Plus 3k and minus 1. Okay. So minus 2k square plus 3k and 36 minus 1 is plus 35 equal to 0. Now minus sign is common because we already first term is always positive. right? So minus sign is common. So 2k square minus 3k minus 35 equal to 0. Okay. Now multiply by these two number first. 35 2s are 70. Now splitting the 70. Factorize 70. 70 1s are 35 2s are 14 5s are. Possible factor is 70 and 10 7s are. Here last term is negative. So subtract this two number. 70 minus 1, 69 not possible. 35 minus 2, not possible. 14 minus 5, 9 not possible. 10 minus 7. 10 is the bigger number, so we get negative sign. 2k square minus 10k plus 7k minus 35 equal to 0. Is that clear? Minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3. Now common. 2k is the common. Now k minus 5. Plus 7 is the common, again k minus 5. Here always same bracket, k minus 5, k minus 5, okay? So k minus 5 and 2k plus 7 equal to 0. So k equal to 5 and 2k plus 7 equal to 0. So k equal to minus 7 by 2. Is that clear? Okay, done it? K equal to 5 and k equal to minus 7 by 2. Now third sum. Here 1x square. X square minus 3k minus 2 into x plus 2k. A equal to 1. B equal to minus into bracket 3k minus 2 and C equal to 2k. Okay. Now discrimination equal to 0 because our condition is this one, equal real roots. This one is most important. So b square we put here, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Discrimination formula. Okay. Now b square minus 4ac minus into 3k minus 2 whole square minus 4 a equal to 1 c equal to 2k equal to 0. Okay. So minus square is positive. So 3k minus 2 whole square minus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8k. Clear? Now here a minus b whole square formula. Expansion. A square, 3 square is 9, k square is k square. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 12k, and 2 square is 4. Then minus 8k. Okay. Now 9k square, 8k and minus 12k both have same sign. So minus 20k plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Here. 9 first we multiply by these two numbers. 9 4s are 36. Splitting 36. 36 1s are 18 2s are 12 3s are 9 4s are 6 6 are. Here last term is positive. So sum of these two factor in middle term. 36 plus 170 not possible. 18 plus 220 is possible. Here. Okay. So 9k square and plus 4 is as it is. 18 and 2. So minus 18k and minus 2k. Both have same sign because last term positive. Now 9 is the factor of 18. So 9k common. So k minus 2. Same bracket here. K minus 2 equal to 0. So minus 2 is the common. So k minus 2 and 9k minus 2 equal to 0. So we get individual 0. K equal to 2. 9k equal to 2. So k equal to 2 by 9. Clear? This is your 2 answer. Our question is find the value of k. Okay? Clear? Now fourth question. K plus 1x square minus 2 into k minus 1x plus 1 equal to 0. Compare the standard equation. So a equal to k plus 1. B equal to minus 2 into k plus 1. Okay? And c equal to 1. Now d equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So minus 2 into k minus, here minus 2 into k minus 1. Okay. So here k minus 1. Clear? B square minus 4. A equal to k plus 1. And c equal to 1. Okay. So minus 2 square is 4. K minus 1 whole square. 4. 4 1s are 4 into k plus 1 equal to 0. Clear? Now 4 is the common. So remaining term is k minus 1 whole square minus into k plus 1 equal to 0. K minus 1 whole square minus 4 is the common, so k plus 1 equal to 0. Now expansion here, k square minus 2k, k square, 2 ones are 2k and then 1 square. Now here open the bracket, minus k minus 1 equal to 0. So plus minus 1 cancel, right? So k square minus 2k and minus 1k. So minus 3k equal to 0. Now k is the common. So k minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore k equal to 0 and k equal to 3. You can also verify this value here, put here. And also verify in your examination. Give an example. Put here k equal to 0. Put here k equal to 0. K equal to 0, so only x square. Right? Verify. X square. Put k equal to 0. So here minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So 2x. And plus 1 is as it is. This is your perfect square. In any question, put answer value of k, then always give a perfect square because discrimination equal to 0. Another values, put here 3. You get only one answer, right? Now put here 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4x square. 4x square. Put here 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4x. And plus 1 as it is. You get on again perfect square. Only you had one answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now next sum. If the roots of the ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 are real and equal, then prove that a ratio b equal to b ratio c. Clear? Okay. First, our equation ax square plus 2bx plus c is 0. This is our question. First, compare ax square plus bx, our standard equation. So a equal to a, b equal to 2b and c equal to c. Our question is real and equal given. So b equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now put here 2b square, here 4, a equal to a, c equal to c. Okay. So 4b square minus 4ac equal to 0. 4 again common. So b square minus ac equal to 0. So b square we write b into b equal to a into c. B square equal to b into b. And we get right side in AC. Okay. Our prove that a ratio b. A ratio b. So now b in denominator. A ratio b. C is here denominator. B upon c. So our final answer a ratio b equal to b ratio c. Okay. Now this one. The discriminant of this equation x square minus 3x minus k equal to 0 is 1. Discrimination is given. Then find the value of a value of x is blanks. Okay. First, our discrimination is 1. So standard equation x square minus 3x minus k equal to 0. Compare standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus k. Now our given is discrimination is 1. Okay. So our formula b square minus 4ac equal to 1. Is that clear? Okay. We calculate here. Now b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 3 square minus 4. Right? Into 4. Here not bracket. 4 into 1 into minus k equal to 0. If you can bracket here, then big bracket. Now 9. Now minus minus plus. 4 ones are 4. 4k equal to 0. Okay. 9 plus 4k equal to 0. Again, x square minus 3x minus k equal to 0. Okay. We write here 1. Discrimination is 1. Okay, here also 1. So 9 in right side. So 4k equal to minus 8. Now 4 in division, k equal to minus 2. Okay, Now put here k in your question. In your question, put here k. So our equation is x square minus 3x, k equal to minus 2. So here minus minus plus. Okay, clear? Now factorize. 2 ones are 2. Last term is the positive. We write directly answer. 2 ones are 2. X minus 2 and x minus 1 is 0. Therefore answer is x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. Here x equal to 1 is already given. Find the value of x. Okay. Value of x is our find. So x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. This is your discrimination, not value of x. Okay. So our value of x is x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. This is your final answer. Is that clear? Okay. Thank you very much.